Hi, Ruben here and welcome to Anatomy Movement, where anatomy becomes funatomy. We have summarized and detailed notes, acronyms, HD images to build your photographic memory, X-rays images, tabled notes and questions and answers at the end of each video to help you remember all that we have learned. Without further ado, let's dive into today's topic, the trickiest anatomy questions on the upper limb to finalize the series of upper limb anatomy. Number 15. Which bone in the human body is often referred to as the funny bone? The funny bone is not actually a bone, but the ulnar nerve that runs along the humerus bone in the elbow. Hitting this nerve can cause a tingling or funny sensation in the forearm and hand. Smart, isn't it? Number 14. What's the medical term for the humerus in the upper arm? The medical term for the humerus in the upper arm is just humerus. It doesn't change like other bones. Number 13. Which bone in the hand is often associated with fortune-telling? The bone associated with fortune-telling is the pisiform bone, a small bone located in the hand. Fortune-tellers often use it to tell us our future. Would you allow a fortune-teller to use your pisiform bone to tell your future? Let me know in the comment section. Number 12. What is the name of the ligament that connects the scaphoid and lunate bones? The scapholunate ligament connects the scaphoid and lunate bones in the wrist. Scaphoid plus lunate simply equals scapholunate. Number 11. What is the name of the groove on the humerus where the radial nerve passes? It's common sense that the groove where the radial nerve would pass is called the radial groove. It is also called the spiral groove of the humerus. Question 10. What is the name of the smallest bone in the human body located within the upper limb? The pisiform bone, one of the carpal bones in the wrist, is the smallest bone in the upper limb. It is a sesamoid bone. Question 9. Which ligament connects the coracoid process to the acromion process, forming a roof over the shoulder joint? The coracoacromial ligament forms a protective roof over the shoulder joint. Coracoid plus acromial process equals coracoacromial. Question 8. What are the names of the bony landmarks at the proximal end of the humerus? The greater tubercle and the lesser tubercle are the two bony landmarks at the proximal end of the humerus. It is important to note the term proximal while answering such a question because if the term distal was used, a different answer would be given. Question 7. What is the anatomical name for the collarbone? The clavicle is the anatomical name for the collarbone. It's called so because most clothes with collars lie on this bone. Question 6. Which bone in the forearm is on the same side as the pinky finger? The bone in the forearm on the same side as the pinky finger is the ulna. Question 5. Which muscle gives the shoulder its rounded shape? The deltoid muscle gives the shoulder its rounded shape. Try touching the area around your shoulder. It is most likely that you are palpating the deltoid muscle. Question 4. What is the scientific term for the shoulder blade? The scientific term for the shoulder blade is the scapula. The scapular shoulder blade is often the bone seen on the upper back and they are two in number, left and right. Question 3. What are the three main types of joints found in the upper limb? The three main types of joints found in the upper limb are synovial, cartilaginous and fibrous joints. Question 2. The body prominence on the elbow is called what? The bony prominence on the elbow is called the acroman process. You can feel it at the back of your elbow. Question 1. Which muscle constitute the rotator cuff muscles? Supraspinatus, infraspinatus, teres minor, and subscapularis. These muscles form round the shoulder joint. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check out my channel to find more questions, explanations, notes and tips on anatomy.